guys, today we are gonna be playing blocks, build a boat for treasure, and yeah, the main goal is we have to get to the treasure. Let's build a boat for treasure. What is okay? Yeah, okay. To get to the treasure. Oh, it's gonna be so long, but we have to do the goal. Get to the treasure. Oh, it's gonna be so long. Oh, I'm surprised my character didn't load again. Oh, it's not. Now what is this? I never seen this before. The last time I played, like, it was never. This thing was never here. Okay, I got some rockets. Okay, let's. Oh, it's night. They updated the game. Before, like, it never like used to turn night. As you know, I bought like so much gold and spent it all. No. Mm, I'd be like I don't know what these rockets are like for, but we'll see them out and we have to protect our like boat. Wait, instead of making a boat, I have a better plan. I could just make a jet. Wait, I think I have some the jets. I also have the portals. That was like cost so much Robux. Yeah, I can use that. I can use that. This. How do I use this? I may have to select this. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, this guy is so good. Yeah, I have to do this. Yeah, I think that's about it. Okay. Now, should I decorate it or design it? Maybe I should. Okay, first, where are the rockets? Yeah, here they are. Maybe I think I have a plan. I have a good idea. Where is for each rocket I just place this on this. This is for the